Hi everyone, welcome back to Saptiki Tech. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can add image scroll like this in your WordPress page or blog using Divi Builder. I have added this using Divi plugin. To add it, first you need to log into the dashboard. Now once you successfully logged into your site, go to plugins and click on add new. Now here we will add a new plugin. For this search Divi. Here you can see Divi add-on plugin. Now click on install now. Once the plugin installed, click on activate. Now it will take you to these settings. I will skip these settings, just click on dashboard. Now before proceeding further, please like this video and subscribe our channel. Also press bell icon to get notified about future updates about Divi. Now go to post and add new. Here you have to add a post title. I will add image scroll. Now click on use Divi builder button. Now here you have to choose a layout. I will build from scratch. Now add a single row. Here the module appears. These modules with the name of Tark comes with the plugin that we have added now, the Divi Tark plugin. Here you can see Tark image scroll module. Select this module. Now here you have to add an image. I will add this image. Click on upload an image. Click on the stick button and then click on this icon. This image will scroll like this. But we will now change the trigger action. For this, click on this gear button. Scroll down. Go to settings. Here you can see scroll type. On mouse over or on mouse scroll. I will select on mouse scroll. You can change its direction to vertical to horizontal. I have this image is vertical, so I will select vertical. Now go to design. You can change image height. I will make it 300. You can add icon here. I will add a box shadow like that. Now click on the stick button. Click on these three dots and publish the post. Now you have successfully published the post. Just click on this exit visual builder button. Here you can see the shadow box appears. You can scroll in it and this image will scroll like that. That's how you can add image scroll in your WordPress blog or page using Divi Builder. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like, share and subscribe our channel and also press bell icon to get notified about future updates. Thanks for watching.